This video is going to focus on solving simultaneous equations using elimination method. So the first thing we're going to do is eliminate y. So let us eliminate y so that we can solve for x. So we have 3x plus y equals 13, and you have x plus 2y equals 1. So we try eliminating y by subtracting. It is not possible. So we edit the equations by multiplying each equation by the coefficient of y in each case. So we multiply the first equation by 2, because 2 is the coefficient of the second equation. Then we multiply the second equation by 1, which is the coefficient of y in the first equation, so that we have a new equation, which is this will be 6x plus 2y equals 26, and then we have x plus 2y equals 1. So now we can easily eliminate y. So 6x minus x is 5x, 2y minus 2y is 0, and then 26 minus 1 is 25. So we just come and write that as 5x equals 25. Divide both sides by 5 so that x is equal to 5. So we have eliminated y so that we are able to solve for x. So now we can eliminate x, solve for y. So we eliminate x. So the equation is 3x plus y equals 13 and x plus 2y equals 1. So you try eliminating x, it is not possible, so it means you have to edit the equations again. So we are just going to multiply the first equation by the coefficient of x in the second equation and vice versa. So the first one is going to be times 1 and the second one is going to be times 3. So then we can now get new equations. That will be 3x plus y equals 13, and now 3x plus that is 6y equals 3. So now we can eliminate x by subtracting. So 3x minus 3x is 0, y minus 6y is minus 5y, and then 13 minus 3 is 10. So just divide both sides of the equation by negative 5. Negative 5, so that y equals negative 2, and that is the solution for y.